Hello, good morning everyone. I hope you all are good. In my previous video, we have discussed about the non-fictions, work of non-fiction, and the contemporary work we have discussed of non-fictions, like we have discussed Graham Greene, Maya Angelou, and Umberto Eco and Rebecca Traister. So today we are going to deal with the direct questions answer from non-fictional prose. Important point means all over the important points which we have all the non-fiction verse. I have selected some 15 points which are very important. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and also comment if you like my videos. And so let's start. Non-fiction prose. Important point means these are some 15 selected direct question answer from non-fiction works. Essay on dramatic poesy is written in, so it is written in dialogue form. This is very important. Essay on dramatic poses is very important. It has been written in dialogue form. Second is Samuel Pepys diary has recorded which two great event of the restoration period. This is very important question and repeatedly asked in NET. So, the Great Fire of London and Great Plague of London is discussed in the Samuel Pepys diary. Okay, and when we talk about the diary writing, so there are the two diary writing in Restoration, two diary writers in Restoration 8. First is Samuel Pepys, second is John Evelyn. So, he is also very important for our exam. So, keep reading John Evelyn also. The third question is the round table, a collection of essay on literature, man and manners belong to, means it is written by William Hazlitt. So the round table is written by William Hazlitt. On the knowing at the gate is in Macbeth. On the knowing at the gate in Macbeth is written by. This is very important. Thomas D. Quincy. It is written by Thomas T. Quincy. So, friend, we all know that John Stuart Mill has written the utilitarianism. That was asked in exam that who is the writer of utilitarianism. So, John Stott was the writer of utilitarianism, but he has borrowed the concept. So now this is important, and from where he has borrowed? So he has borrowed the concept from Jeremy Bentham. So John Stott Mill has borrowed the concept of utilitarianism from Jeremy Bentham. So here we completed our 5 important point on non-fictional prose. Going to the 6. The Subjection of Woman is a work by. So it is also a work by John Stuart Mill, and John Stuart Mill is very important question for non-fiction, friend. As we all know, in 2019 there were 11 questions in non-fiction. In 2020 it was changed from 11 to, it might be something 20 or 19 questions were from non-fiction. So I want to say that they will ask more than the previous year question paper. They will not ask less in numbers. So please do prepare with the non-fictions also. Tomorrow we will discuss some more points. So today let's discuss some. Big Girls Don't Cry is a work by. So it is a work by Rebecca Traister. Big Girls Don't Cry is a work by Rebecca Traister. Non-fiction Conversation with Myself is a diary. See, UGC is now keep on asking questions based on diaries, non-fiction. So we have to know Conversation with Myself is a diary by Nelson Mandela. Okay. A Theory of Semiotics is a work by Umberto Eco. You all know that Theory of Semiotics is very important for our exam, and it is written by Umberto Eco. 10th is The Last Age of Church is a work by John Wycliffe. John Wycliffe is also very important. The Last Age of the Church is a work by John Wycliffe. All the Single Ladies is a work by Rebecca Traister. All the Single Ladies is a work by Rebecca Traister. So, Six Wall in Fictional Wood, 1944. It was published in 1944. Is a work by Umberto Eco. Six Walks in Fictional Wood, 1994. Is a work by Umberto Eco. Letter to My Daughter is a work by Maya Angelou. Now, if I will tell you that Maya Angelou is very important, then it will be shame on we both, because you also know and me also know Maya Angelou is very important, and her some work like Maya Angelou has written Very famous work, I Know Why the Caged Birds Sing. It was published in 1969. The autobiography work. What is it? Is an autobiography work. And some other important work of Maya Angelou are All God's Children Need Traveling Shoes, 1986 publication. I Know. And A Song Flung Up to Heaven, 2002 publication, written by Maya Angelou, non-fiction work, very important. And one more very important work by Maya Angelou is Mom and Me and Mom. Okay, so question number 14. A Short of My Life is an autobiography written by Graham Greene. Friend, Graham Greene is very, very important. Graham Greene's works are non-fiction. All the works names are very important. I would like to say that. See, what is the Graham Greene? A Short of My Life. And if they can ask you Way of Escape, it is also autobiography, a 1980 publication written by Graham Greene. What? See, two autobiography has been written by Graham Greene. First is A Short of My Life, 1971. Ways of Escape, 1980 autobiography. Okay. And last 15 is Critical and Historical Essay written by. So it is written by Thomas Machiavelli. And I think you all know that who is Thomas Machiavelli. Who is Thomas Machiavelli? He is the one who introduces English reading pattern in our India. Okay. So I hope you must be knowing Thomas Machiavelli, and he is very important for our exam point of view also. So please, Thomas Machiavelli is also important in our English in India portion. Okay. Okay, thank you. Bye. Keep reading and please subscribe my channel and do share with your friends those who are preparing for English literature competition exam. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.